Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer shares into a rollover IRA at TD Ameritrade, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer shares into a rollover IRA at TD Ameritrade, begin by ensuring you have an active TD Ameritrade account. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top of the page. Select Transfers from the drop-down menu. Click on Transfer an Account. Choose Rollover IRA as the type of account you wish to transfer to. Follow the prompts to provide information about the current account where your shares are held. This may include the name of the institution, account number, and type of shares being transferred. Specify the amount and type of shares you want to transfer. Review the transfer options and select whether you want to complete a full or partial transfer. Complete the required authorization forms to initiate the transfer process. Make sure to provide any necessary signatures where required. After submitting the forms, monitor your email for confirmation of the transfer request. TD Ameritrade will also notify you once the transfer has been successfully initiated. Keep track of the estimated timeline for the transfer, which can take several days. Once the transfer is complete, verify that the shares have been correctly added to your rollover IRA. In case of any issues, contact TD Ameritrade's customer service for assistance. Ensure you familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations regarding rollover IRAs for your future investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.